Hey everybody, it's me, Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Let me see if I can get my phone up here. Oh my goodness, gives me fits. Yeah, and I think I'm over too. No, I'm not. I'm good. All right. Yeah, giving me fits. Well, I've been working on my cut apart, but what I actually got on here to talk to you about today was the fact that I had sent in my entry into Agape for Gigi, her giveaway, challenge giveaway, where you send in a yeah, my cat just had to get in the litter box, where you send in a Memory Dex card. That's her channel right there, Agape for Gigi. Oh, there. And go over to her channel, and she's got a video up about her challenge giveaway. It's really good prize packages, and she's having a little bit of a hard time getting some responses to it. I mean, she's giving away fabulous prizes. So I had sent in my entry, I think my receipt said June 26th. She was supposed to get it June 30th. Well, she just got it today, June the 9th. So, I mean, July the 9th. So, yeah, almost 2 weeks to get from West Virginia to Texas. So, yeah, if you want to mail anything into her, please do it now. And please, just support a fellow crafter. I am doing this as part of my, remember my little list? 10 crafty goals for 2020. 7, encourage other crafters. And 9, participate in more challenges. So I'm fulfilling 2 of my 2020 goals. In 2020, my goodness, it's over half over. Well, anyway, when I thought she didn't get it, I said, no, I'm not going to give this up. I just made another one. So I did. I sat down today and made another one. And when she emailed me today and said the package finally arrived, I had literally just within like a half an hour finished making another one. Then I was going to mail it out tomorrow. But anyway, I did make another one. And this is what it looks like. And my information's on the back, but so I may be mailing this off to somebody who participated in my challenge that I had earlier this year. I got a cat on my craft desk. That's Lily, my Lily. Anyway, I had there's this little strip back there. Let me see if I can get it. I don't need your help, Lil. There's this little strip back there. It was a border strip, and I think I got that in a package that she's laid down in a package from Robin, who is Robin's Feathered Nest. And remember, I made the tickets, and I cut out the star out of sparkle paper, and this is out of one of those Tim Holtz snippet packs, but it's Halloween, and so was that. And so was this little thing. But I made those. Remember, I was making those. And I took my pen. I took this pen right here. The Sharpie, the gold Sharpie. Oop, I can't stay in frame. I'm trying to avoid the cat. And I just went around the edges with it, with the gold. And then this is like a puffy sticker. And it's that pumpkin. And I just thought it turned out really cute. And I thought, well, this is what I was going to send to her tomorrow, but she called me and said she got my entry. So go over to her channel, Agape for Gigi, and it's a few videos back, about 6 or so videos back, where she talks about her challenge giveaway. And go over there and give her some attention. Now, we all need to do this. It's not that hard. If I can do this, oh my goodness, especially since this is only my second one. So, go over there and give her some crafty love. Support her channel. We got to support each other, our channels, and especially whenever it's, when we're actually creating with what we have, all this stuff that we have purchased, and we're actually creating with it. That's when we need to, we need to share it. We need to share it. Art form. This is an art form. All right. This is Pam, Dragon Moon Creations. Go over, Agape for Gigi. Go over and check out her channel. And I will talk to you later. My cat wants to eat my beautiful creation. No, Lily, no. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Ouch. Bye.